Where are we headed, Wendy?
The Webster Flea Market.
Is it a big one?
Or I think it's a farmer's market. Yes, it's huge.
We'll
People
check it out.
everywhere.
We'll let you know. We'll check it out for you. Potato Express. Isn't that what my mom got us that time?
Yeah, we got them.
Okay, this place is absolutely enormous.
Crazy. Absolutely nuts.
Yeah, so that's one section, and then there's a whole other section back there.
Changes 13. Appreciate it. Have a pretzel day.
Have a pretzel day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Have an awesome day today.
Once again, best lemonade on the planet. What's your impression of this?
Overwhelming.
It is absolutely overwhelming. It's unbelievable.
It's a flea market, not a farmer's market
Yeah.
that we know of. We've walked probably, what, 30 minutes, 40 minutes?
At least.
2 miles.
At least 2 miles. And we haven't, I think we've seen half of it. I don't think we've seen the whole thing. But
Very old.
and I had a question to Wendy. Where does everybody get this stuff?
Right.
Like, where do they get this stuff?
Because it's all flea market stuff.
But I mean, is there a distributor for flea market stuff?
I don't know.
Because some of this stuff I think is like there's a missing tractor trailer somewhere. You know what I mean?
Home Depot.
Yeah. Like there is a Home Depot guy back there.
Yeah. And there's like a Dollar General store, like you can get toothpaste, you can get weird stuff.
And lots of guns.
Cool. Lots of guns.
God bless Florida.
Yeah.
Lots of guns. And really nice guns too.
Yeah.
That's surprising.
But I'll get back on my feet and I'll try to move away from it all. Do you feel alive when you say yourself? It's a long way down.
I need a whole slab.
One whole slab for her.
So we're looking for something good for dinner. So the whole slab. What about the rib tips? Would they be good too?
That's just stuff for a snack.
For a snack, maybe before dinner?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Let's do
Yeah,
that
let's
too.
do that too. Yeah.
We did it.
Yay.
I believe we've actually found the farmer's market area of this market. Correct?
Finally. Yes.